beautiful weather. There are almost no clouds in the sky. The sun warmed our whole room with its rays. It is very warm here. All right, I do not want to waste a day. I am going to play outside. Oh, I know. I will take my plane with me. But where is it? Katy Bear, have you seen my remote-controlled plane? Have you played with it?
I did not see it. You will not let me play with your toys. I do not touch them.
What happened to it? It is not here. Maybe it is under the bed? Ooh, I found the remote control. That means the plane must be here somewhere.
My bears, what are you still doing at home? You should go outside. The weather is beautiful today.
Can I bring my dolls with me?
Of course, you can. Just be careful you do not lose them.
Okay.
Mom, I cannot find my plane.
Little bear, I told you to put your toys away when you are done playing. If you did that, you would not have to look for it now.
I know.
But don't be sad, I saw your plane in the hallway downstairs. You must have left it there while you were playing outside.
Really? Great, Mom, thank you.
Just remember to put it back in your room when you're done playing.
I will do it. Where is that plane? Mom said she saw it here. Oh, so that's where you hid. Why don't you want to fly? Start flying. Maybe it broke. I will show it to my dad. He will fix it for sure.
Polo, what happened?
My plane won't fly. It doesn't respond when I press buttons.
Oh my, what a shame. But go to your dad, maybe it can be repaired.
I hope so.
Fingers crossed.
Dad, my plane broke down.
Are you sure? How is it possible that it broke?
It doesn't work. I tried to turn it on, but nothing.
I hope you managed it carefully.
Of course.
Maybe it just got worn out? Our Polo has had this plane for as long as I can remember. He always played with it.
As far as I remember, he got it as a gift from his
Dad,
grandparents.
please fix it.
Maybe I know why it doesn't work.
All right, you guys go tinkering while I go shopping. I need fresh products for tonight's lunch. Have fun.
Wait, Polo. I will be back. Look what I got.
What is it?
This is the battery. Every electrical device needs energy. Your plane is powered by a battery, but the one inside has probably ran out and we need to replace it with a new one. Batteries are available in varied sizes. Luckily, I found one that should fit. Mom always makes sure there are spare batteries for various devices in the house.
Mom is great. Yay! It works!
Check if it responds when you press something on the remote. If not, we will try to replace the battery in it as well.
Does it have batteries in it too?
Yes, but usually the batteries in remote controls last much longer because they don't use as much power.
It worked! My plane is working again. Thank you, Dad.
I'm glad your plane isn't broken and you can still play with it. Go outside and enjoy the nice weather. I will finish reading a chapter of the book and go outside too.
Okay.
Polo, will you let me fly it too?
Yes, but only for a while. You must be careful.
I will be careful.
Try to fly higher.
I didn't know it could be so cool. I want a plane like that too.
You should ask our parents to buy you a plane just like mine. It's your birthday soon, so it's the perfect time.
Great idea.
If you get your own plane as a gift, we can fly them together.
Look at this. Can you do that too?
Katie, I told you to be careful.
I just wanted to show you a trick. And what now?
I don't know. It's too high. We will not take it off ourselves.
I'm going to Mom for help.
I think it's a task for Dad. Dad,
What happened, Polo?
my plane got stuck in a tree.
How did it get stuck?
I gave Katie Bear a remote control so she could steer it for a while. Unfortunately, she flew it straight into a tree.
Oh,
Can you help us take it off?
first show me where it is.
Follow me. There it is. We will not reach it.
It's very high. I'm afraid I won't be able to do it myself.
Please do something.
Don't worry, we have a ladder at home. I will use a ladder to reach it and to take it down. I will be back.
Ladder?
You don't know what a ladder is?
I don't know.
A ladder is like portable stairs that make it easier to climb up.
Portable stairs?
You will see.
That should be enough. Stay behind me, my little bears.
Be careful, Dad.
I got it.
Awesome.
I suggest you go fly a plane into an undeveloped area and away from the trees. Behind the sandbox is the perfect place to play.
Thank you. We will be careful. Come on, Katie. Move aside like me so that I can safely fly the plane.